if they say any of these phrases, I'm not good with technology, if they say my previous designer wasn't getting me, if they say I'm looking for something really high quality, but I've not got the most amount of money, I'm just looking for something basic, um, something like that. All of those phrases are red flags that are telling you this client is going to be trouble, and in which case you should up your minimum rate. But always have a minimum rate of what you want for that project. And now remember that minimum rate is your bottom minimum level of investment that you would take on for that project. And you can tell people that. You can say, our minimum level investment for a project like this would be, £1,000. Usually it ranges between 1,000 to 3,000. Are you comfortable with those numbers? And if they balk or they skirt around it, at this point, don't waste any more time, because you know that they don't have the money or the budget to afford you, and it's just a waste of your time and their time. And you can politely, not don't just hang up on them, man. Like, tell them, here's some free resources that I can give you to do it yourself, or I can refer you to a cheaper designer.